Hi guys, if you want this free digital notebook, please keep watching and I'll show you how to get it. This notebook comes with lined pages and a lot of extra pages like grids and dots and blanks. There go the dots right there. And a lot of colorful line pages, orange, pink, green, yellow. And this cute, fun dot page. It's so cute. And it has charts, colorful charts, and it has a weekly schedule. And when you get it, make sure to put your name in it. Before you get the notebook, you want to make sure you have a note-taking app. You need it in order to write in a planner. The first one you can use is Xodo, Xodo. You can download it. And then the other note-taking app you can use is GoodNotes. And you can download it. Now go to www.adoye.com, and what you want to do is you want to scroll to the bottom of the website, and at the bottom of the website you'll get this section called Grab This Free Digital Notebook. Right here is the download now button to get the notebook, and then the other button is a button to watch this tutorial that you are watching right now. To get the notebook, you just have to tap on the download now button. So we'll tap on it right now, and the notebook should pop right up like this. And here it is right here. It has all the pages. And now what we want to do is we want to download this onto our device. And that is the download button right there, the download icon. It looks like that, and you just press it. I'm going to press it with my finger. And then you tap on download. And because I am using an iPad, all my downloads go right here. So I just tap on it and then tap on the download. Next, what we want to do is import this notebook into our note-taking app. So push this share icon and look for the note-taking app that you downloaded, Xodo right here, or GoodNotes right here. If you don't see them right there, you can scroll and tap more and it should come up, or they might be down here in the list. Because I use GoodNotes, I'm going to tap on GoodNotes to download the notebook into GoodNotes. For the location, you can keep it under Documents and then tap Import as New Document. And here's your notebook. And of course, you can write in it, have fun writing in it. You can use a lot of colorful colors. Write your name. And right now I'm going to show you how to copy a page to the notebook section. So we're going to go find the page that we want to copy, and we'll take the grid page, hit the right 3 dots at the top corner, tap copy page, go to the place in the notebook where you want to paste the page, tap the 4 squares at the left on the top, tap the arrow, then hit add page after. Paste the page, and now the grid page should be right after the notebook section. And if you want more of those grid pages, all you have to do is hit duplicate. So now you have 2 grid pages. So if you go to the notebook section, after that section should be the 2 grid pages. If you want more line pages, you just do the same steps over and over. You can duplicate however many pages you want. I hope you like this free notebook. The link to this notebook will be in the description box. Bye guys.